So I just want to share with you today this really cool connection system that I've come across. It's kind of an option as opposed to an MFT, which we all know and love. And what's great about it is when you put your workpiece on here, instead of your saw blade going into your MFT like a kind of sacrificial top that you change, or your router, because your work sits up on here, the only sacrificial bit is this tiny bit of ply. There's a foam top, so no work moves at all. So you can put that on there, and that's not going to go anywhere. You don't need to clamp it. It's really clever. You can cut obviously this way if you've got some extra supports here, or you can just saw through or route through with your router bit coming. And then when you're done, why I particularly like this system, which by the way has nothing to do with necessarily a Felder table, it's just a system of ply and these connections. Why I like this system is because I can just do this, take this away, and now I've got my tabletop, which I'm tending to use, if you watch my channel, as an in-feed or an out-feed support for my machines. I'm doing a bit less work with the rail system these days, but when I do go to use my rail saw or handheld router, I've got to put the workpiece down and clamp it. I no longer use my MFT, I have this bigger one which I made, but I don't really want to be ploughing cut marks all the way through this ply constantly. So for me, this is just a massive time saver, and I just think it's just a brilliant idea, and I wanted to share it with you because I'm not sure if anyone's come across it. It's another product from RUWI, which I found, amazing company with great ideas, time-saving ideas. These simply connect on here. And I can just add even more. You can then get another set of these and add them the other way and have a really big table. You'll see it on the RUWI website. So I'm just going to show you a quick short video of how I cut these slots in without using CNC. Here we go. I'll take you through this complicated jig system. So, just to go over it, there's a centre stop there, which the router hits that side, another stop, the other side of it there. This is the as you're looking at it, the right stop, boom, that's for there and there. And then, so these are really good. I've just done a simple list here of the cuts, and then every time I just go through and reset that, that's the end stop. So that means that as I move it along, each time you can go back and re-reference with the 20mm hole. The first hole, the slit, is a 7.9 and then a 20mm. This is the sample I was sent. That will allow those to go in and lock down. So if you're interested in this alternative MFT style top, I'll put everything I've used in the description to make it. These RipDogs, the T-Tracks. I'll put a link to RUWI. It's a fantastic website. They've got some great stuff on there. And if you've got any questions, please feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.